Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura and a micro 5 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it a tune-up as the brew unit was very dirty and it had unfortunately this little thing got bended down and it was causing the machine to have error 8. So we serviced this machine, disassembled the entire thing. We went to the brew unit as well, deep cleaned it and replaced some of the O-rings as well on the brew unit itself. So yeah, that's all we did. We also descaled the machine and cleaned the grinder as there was a lot of coffee buildup in there. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna just test it out. This doesn't have a cappuccino size, so it's just gonna be one espresso shot. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. It's setting color as well, coming out of the machine, and perfect quantity. Perfect. And there you have it. Jura and a Micro 5 working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.